Gee, Leland, it was really great talking to you.
You too, Collis. Too bad we can't see each other more often.
You know what? We should build a Transcontinental Railroad.
Doggies. I'm Leland Stanford.
I'm Charles Crocker.
I'm Collis P. Huntington.
I'm Mark Hopkins.
And together we're the Big Four.
But what about me? I'm Theodore Judah. I was the chief engineer of the Transcontinental Railroad.
I think you forgot the most important person. Me, Asa Whitney.
You know what, Leland? We should race.
Yeah, if we build a railroad, we'll have faster transportation and be able to travel from coast to coast.
Race? You mean race to build a railroad?
Yeah, with Transcontinental Railroad, we'll have better communication throughout the United States. I'll start building the railroad in San Francisco.
Yeah, and I'll start in Nebraska.
Let's meet in the middle.
Yeah.
On your marks, get set, build!
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Don't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up early in the morn. Don't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn?
Phew, we're finally done.
Yeah, after 6 years of hard, back-breaking work.
We should just be thankful that we weren't the ones that had to do that kind of work.
Come on, guys. Let's go nail the last spike into the railroad.
Yeah! Wait. You guys!
Oh, gee, Leland, that was a good joke. You guys. It's been really great catching up with you.
You too, Collis. Too bad we can't see each other more often.
You know what? We should build a trench.
Huh?
Where'd it go? Practice it. Just practice.
What about me? I'm the... I can't do it. Can I please not do it?
But what about me? I'm Theodore Judah. I was the chief engineer of the Continental Railroad. You know what, Leland? We should race.
Yeah. You know what? No.
I knew you were going to do that. I knew you weren't going to be able to see anything else. That's why I told you to, Hadar, you know your line read before.
I did.
You didn't. I should have known that.
But I got confused.